Lentils. Nutrition, benefits, and how to cook them. Lentils are edible seeds from the legume family. They're well known for their lens shape and sold with or without their outer husks intact. Though they're a common food staple in countries such as Turkey, Syria, Jordan, Morocco, and Tunisia, the greatest production of lentils nowadays is in Canada. This video tells you everything about lentils, their nutrition and benefits, and how to cook them. Different types of lentils. Lentils are often categorized by their color, which can range from yellow and red to green, brown, or black. Here are some of the most common lentil types. Brown. These are the most widely eaten type. They have an earthy flavor, hold their shape well during cooking, and are great in stews and soups. Puis. These come from the French region Le Puy. They're similar in color but about 1/3 of the size of green lentils and have a peppery taste. Green. These can vary in size and are usually a less expensive substitute in recipes that call for puis lentils. Yellow and red. These lentils are split and cook quickly. They're great for making dal and have a somewhat sweet and nutty flavor. Beluga. These are tiny black lentils that look almost like caviar. They make a great base for warm salads. Lentils are often overlooked, even though they're an inexpensive way of getting a wide variety of nutrients. For example, they're packed with B vitamins, magnesium, zinc, and potassium. Lentils are made up of more than 25% protein, which makes them an excellent meat alternative. They're also a great source of iron, a mineral that is sometimes lacking in vegetarian diets. Lentils are high in fiber, which supports regular bowel movements and the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Eating lentils can increase your stool weight and improve your overall gut function. Furthermore, lentils contain a broad range of beneficial plant compounds called phytochemicals, many of which protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Polyphenols in lentils may have powerful health benefits. Lentils are rich in polyphenols, a category of health-promoting phytochemicals. Some of the polyphenols in lentils, such as procyanidin and flavonols, are known to have strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and neuroprotective effects. When tested in the lab, the polyphenols in lentils were able to stop cancer cell growth, especially on cancerous skin cells. Though it's not yet understood how, the polyphenols in lentils may also play a part in improving blood sugar levels. One animal study found that consuming lentils helped lower blood sugar levels and that the benefits were not solely due to the carb, protein, or fat content. It's also worth noting that the polyphenols in lentils don't appear to lose their health-promoting properties after cooking. This being said, these results are from laboratory and animal studies only. Human studies are needed before firm conclusions can be made about these health benefits. May protect your heart. Eating lentils is associated with an overall lower risk of heart disease, as it has positive effects on several risk factors. One 8-week study in 39 people with overweight or obesity and type 2 diabetes found that eating 1/3 cup, 60 grams, of lentils each day increased levels of HDL, good, cholesterol and significantly reduced levels of LDL, bad, cholesterol and triglycerides. Lentils may also help lower your blood pressure. A study in rats found that those eating lentils had greater reductions in blood pressure than those eating peas, chickpeas, or beans. Furthermore, proteins in lentils may be able to block angiotensin I-converting enzyme, which normally triggers blood vessel constriction and thereby increases blood pressure. High levels of homocysteine are another risk factor for heart disease. These can increase when your dietary folate intake is insufficient. Because lentils are a great source of folate, they may help prevent excess homocysteine from accumulating in your body. Having overweight or obesity increases the risk of heart disease. Eating lentils may help decrease your overall food intake, which could contribute to weight loss or maintenance. Lentils are very filling and appear to keep blood sugar levels steady. Antinutrients may impair nutrient absorption. Lentils contain antinutrients, which can affect the absorption of other nutrients. Trypsin inhibitors. Lentils contain trypsin inhibitors, which block the production of the enzyme that normally helps break down protein from your diet. However, lentils generally contain low amounts of these, and it's unlikely that trypsin from lentils will have a major effect on your protein digestion. Phytic acids, or phytates, combine minerals such as iron, zinc, and calcium, reducing their absorption. However, phytic acid is also reported to have strong antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. Though lentils, like all legumes, contain some antinutrients, dehulling and cooking the seeds greatly reduces the presence of antinutrients. The best way to cook lentils. Lentils are easy to cook. Unlike many other legumes, they don't require any prior soaking and can be cooked in less than 30 minutes. Or you can use canned lentils. It's best to give them a rinse before cooking, to remove impurities. You can then place them in a pot, cover them with water and a pinch of salt, bring them to a boil, and let them simmer uncovered for 20 to 30 minutes. Your lentils should be slightly crunchy or soft, depending on your preference. Once they are boiled, drain and rinse them in cold water to prevent further cooking. Some lentils, such as split orange lentils, cook within 5 minutes and are great when you want to prepare a last-minute meal or bulk up an already cooked meal. You can also cook lentils in big batches and use them for lunch or dinner throughout the week, as they will last for up to 5 days in your fridge. The antinutrient content in lentils is significantly reduced by cooking. You can also soak your lentils overnight to lower the levels even further. Whether brown, green, yellow, red, or black, lentils are low in calories, rich in iron and folate, and an excellent source of protein. They pack health-promoting polyphenols and may reduce several heart disease risk factors. They're easily cooked in 5 to 30 minutes, which, like soaking, reduces their antinutrient content. With that said, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this video informative.